We'll examine the two best shell covers of DJI Neo in this video. Each is a useful addition to your drone accessories because of its unique set of functions.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Aokicase cover with LED light. For DJI Neo owners seeking dependable protection without compromising functionality, the Aokicase cover is a fantastic choice. By increasing the space between the Neo's bottom and the ground by 10 millimeters, the Neo combo kit lessens impact during landing, safeguards the battery, and offers safe landing protection. It is specifically bent to match the fuselage and is made for DJI Neo. It protects the battery in case of an accident, and the lighted landing gear makes flying more enjoyable. It may efficiently raise the height by 5 millimeters while safeguarding the battery. Simple to install, perfect fit without causing damage to the fuselage, and simple to install and remove without the need for extra equipment. With a weight of just 21 grams, its lightweight design makes it convenient to carry about. Rechargeable, recyclable, and compatible with Type-C cable charging, the built-in battery takes roughly 40 minutes to charge and 60 minutes to use fully charged. Meets the requirements of typical use. On number 2, we have Joysgog shell cover. Another excellent option for DJI Neo users looking for strong protection and a stylish appearance is the Joysgog cover. For a safe flight, it shields your drone from dust and drops. It may efficiently raise the height by 5 millimeters while safeguarding the battery. The mold opens precisely, fits the fuselage exactly, and is simple to install and remove. Your drone won't be burdened more by lightweight. The Joysgog cover will stay in place and shield your drone from little bumps and scratches, so you can fly with confidence. Furthermore, the shell's thoughtfully positioned ventilation slits encourage adequate airflow and guard against overheating on long flights. In terms of aesthetics, the Joysgog cover is available in several sleek finishes, allowing you to customize the appearance of your DJI Neo. The shell is lightweight despite its sturdy construction, so it won't impair your drone's performance or maneuverability. Additionally, the Joysgog shell has accurate cutouts that provide easy access to all connections and buttons, allowing you to change the battery or charge your drone without taking off the cover. So these are some of the best covers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.